In this tutorial, we'll show you how to edit an inbound shipment in Warehance. First, go to the Inbound Shipment section from the left-hand menu. Click on the shipment you want to edit. Here, you'll see a list of details about your shipment, such as the back orders, available stock, and more. You can also add a history entry to keep track of any updates or important notes related to the shipment. In the right corner under the Shipment Information section, you'll find the Edit icon. Click it to start editing. Inside the Edit view, you can update important information like the customer name, the assigned warehouse, the reference field, and shipment dates including the ship date, expected date, or close date. You can also enter the tracking number and tracking URL so your warehouse knows when to expect the incoming stock. Remember, do not click on the vendor field, as it isn't used, and editing it can cause unnecessary confusion. Once you've made your changes, click Submit to apply your updates. You're all set. Thanks for watching.